Hello, how are you? This is Albert Jané, owner and winemaker of Acoustic Celler. I want to share with you tasting this beautiful wine I'm making Dio Monsan Bravo 2016, which is made from very old vineyards, 70% Carignana, 30% Garnacha, vineyards from 60 to 95 years old. And it's a project I started in 2004. And Bravo means brave because they are very brave vineyards, very old vineyards that they suffer a lot, very dry summers, very hot summers, but they resist and they make a small quantity of grape but with a lot of quality. It's a very emotional, very deep, very concentrated wine. With a lot of black fruitiness, red fruitiness. It tastes all the Mediterranean dry wine. And Bravo 2016 that you can drink it now, you can age 20 years. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.